Hey guys, let's see what we are going to solve now. I'll just read it out for you. Bag A contains 480 marbles. Bag B contains 60 marbles. When an equal number of marbles are added inside each bag, the new ratio of the marbles in each bag is 4:1. What is the total number of marbles added to each bag? Total number in each bag, that's what we are going to find. Yeah, let's see what is given in the problem. Right, again here it's bag A, this side it's bag B, right? Yeah, so what is given is 480 in bag A, right? Initially 480 is in bag A, and then in bag B it is 60, right? Yeah, see, is the final count is given in ratio. We will come to that now. See, and then it says there is a change took place. Change is, we don't know how many number, but equal number was added on both the bags, right? Let's take the number as n on both side. Yeah, both side n was added, n number of marbles were added, right? Now the final ratio is 4:1, right? So far clear? Okay, see, now because this problem is talking about ratio, we have to convert everything into a ratio so that it will be easy for us to find the answer, right? Okay, now what is the initial ratio between the bag A to bag B? What should we do for that? What should we do? Very good, we need to divide 480 divided by 60, right? Now you see here, you can cancel it for 60 itself. Actually, let's start with 0 to 0, it's getting cancelled, and then for 6, 1 times 6 is 6, and then how many times? 8 times. Very good, right? So this side it's 8:1. That's the initial ratio. Initial ratio is 8:1, which is these two numbers. We have converted that to a ratio, and then now there were n number of marbles were added to both the side, and then this is the final ratio. Now we have got everything in ratio, right? I'll just wipe it out. Okay, now you see here, I'll give you another clue. This one I have also talked about this in the previous videos, that you see here a constant number is added on both the side. Constant number is added, right? What it means is that the difference in the number of marbles at first and at the end will always be same, right? Confused? Okay, fine. Now let's take it. Okay, I'll say maybe this side 6 marbles were there, and this side 5 marbles were there, or maybe 4 marbles were there. This side 6 marbles, this side 4 marbles were there. Now you add 2 on both the side. 2 marbles both the side. This side will become 8, this side will become 6. Now at the beginning 6 minus 4 is still, it was 2. After adding 2 marbles on both the side, now also 8 minus 6 is still 2 marbles, right? So the difference will always be same because it is a constant addition, or it can be applied for constant subtraction as well. Yeah, got it? Okay, so now let's find what is the difference at the beginning, right? Difference, right? 480 minus 60, how much will it be? Tell me fast, quick. 420. Yes, very good. Now in the initial ratio, if you subtract, it is 7 units. Let's take this as a before unit, BU, right? 7 BU, or we can just directly write it as 7 what? BU. Got it? Yeah, because there is an after unit as well. The ratio has changed. Now there is a n number of marbles added. Let's leave that as it is for now. Here it is 4. Let's take it as after unit and then 1 after unit. Yeah, because there is a change happened, so we have to take this as a after unit, and this one is a before unit. Yeah. Now here the difference is what? 3 after units. 3 after units. Got it? Yeah. So for clear, see, this 420 will always be constant because it is, see here, only constant number of marbles were added on both the sides. So now what it means is that the difference, right? The difference between these two will always be 420. Got it? Yeah. What it means is that this 3 unit is equals to 420 also, right? Because that's the difference between these two. See here in the initial, at the beginning, 8 minus 1 is 7 unit. 7 unit was 7 before unit was 420. Now after this number of marbles were added, here it is 4 unit and this one is 1 unit. If you get the difference, it is 3 units, right? 3 after units. So this 3 after units is equals to 420. Got it? Because it's a constant, right? Okay, so what it means is that 3 after unit is equals to how much? 420. So 1 after unit is what? 420 divided by 3, which is how much? Quick. Okay, let's cancel it. 1 times 3 is 3, and then here 1 times 3 is 3, then 12, 4 times 3 is 12, and then 0, we put it as 0. So it is 140. So 1 after unit is equals to 140. Now let's come back here. Let's come back here. See here, we know that 60 marbles, you can take either side because this one is a smaller number. Let's take this side. Yeah. Okay. 60 plus, because we found 1 unit, 1 after unit. This side is already 1 after unit. So it is easy to solve using this side. Yeah. If there is a bigger number this side and any side, you pick up whichever side is easier to use for solving the problem. Yeah. Smaller number. Yeah, if you're like very brilliant, you can still go for this side. Yeah, but the steps are still the same. Yeah. Okay, now here it says 60 plus n is equals to how much? This one after the unit, which is 140, right? Got it? This 60 plus n number of marbles were added, which is equals to 140, because 1 after unit is equals to 140, so this is 140, right? Okay. 60 plus n is equals to 140. Now what is n? N is equals to 140 minus 60, right? Got it? Yeah? Okay, so n is equals to how much? This one? 80. Very good. Okay, 80 marbles. So you see both the side. In each bag, n number of marbles were added. So n is equals to 80. So that is the answer. Answer is equals to 80 marbles. Right? So that is the answer. Easy, guys? Easy, yeah? Very good. Okay. Right. So that is all. If you have any doubts, please leave your comments in the comment box of this video. Otherwise, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.